Hi, and welcome to our mobile coffee app user interface design. The developers involved in the development of this app are myself, Ubaidullah Sheikh, and Tashan Govender. We are now viewing the cover page that we have created for this app, and I will be just going over what this app is and what it has to offer. This mobile coffee app is a user interface designed app that has been created on Figma, and my partner and I will be going over these wireframes detailing every feature they have. This coffee app is an innovative, interactive way of getting your coffee anytime, anywhere, anyplace by a simple click of a button. We have every feature you will need to make your coffee purchasing experience a fast and convenient way. Now let's get into the app. This is the first screen that will greet a customer when they enter the app. Let's select the Get Started button.
Hi, welcome to our sign-in page. My name is Tashan Govender. In our sign-in page, we have an email or username button which will allow the user to sign in with their email and username as well as their password. All our buttons are interactive. When the user clicks on the email or username as well as the password button, the text moves up and the field empties, allowing the user to enter their details. We also added a feature that allows the user to click on the I button in the password field, which changes whether the password is visible or hidden. We also have an option allowing the user to sign in via their Google or GitHub accounts as stipulated in the assignment outline. We also have a Forget Password button, which will allow the user to enter their email or username. The user will also have to enter an OTP number. Provided the OTP number matches the SMS that was sent to the user, they will then be allowed to enter a password as well as the confirm password. If the user does not already have an account with our app, then we have an option for them to sign up and create a new account. In the sign up page, there will be an option to enter an email, username, password, and a confirm password. As stipulated before, all our buttons are interactive. Once the user has created an account, they will have to sign in with their details they have just created. Now let's get into the home page of our application.
Welcome to our home page. We have a beautiful coffee themed background, and we also have a search bar allowing the user to search for any coffees they would like. We have a nice convenient way of viewing our coffee selection by scrolling sideways to view our range of coffees. All our coffees have a rating out of 5 as well as the location of our cafe branches. At the bottom of the screen, we have a list of our cafe branches. The user will be able to click on the image and will be taken to another screen where a short description of the cafe will be found, as well as the address being listed. The user will also be able to click on this map and view how far they are from our cafes. We have a button on the bottom of the screen where the user will be able to view our range of coffee products. Let's get back to the home screen. We also have a View All button which will allow the user to view all our coffees in one frame, which is very convenient. We also have a taskbar on the bottom of the screen which will allow the user to easily navigate to each window on the app. On the taskbar, we have a Location button which will allow the user to view their current location as well as view how close they are to our cafe branches. We also have a profile page which will allow the user to view their account details. The user is able to select the heart icons on each image to favorite their coffees, making it easier and convenient to buy their coffees. The user is also able to select on each image of these coffees, which will bring them to the next page. We are now on the order page. This page will allow the user to order their coffees. We have a nice picture showing the user the coffee that they are ordering. We also have a short description of the coffee that they are ordering. The user has an option to customize their drink by choosing the size of the coffee as well as the quantity. They also will have an option to choose if they would like a single shot of espresso or a double shot of espresso. Once the user is satisfied with their options, they will then select the Buy Now button, which will bring them onto the next page.
Welcome to the order page. This is where the customer's order will be displayed, showing the option for delivery or pickup. The customer's address will already be displayed in the address bar. If the address is incorrect, there's an option to edit the address. This is the location page. The user will be able to search for the address on the map. Now let's get back. Here we have the order the customer selected with their customizations. The customer will also have an option to increase or decrease their quantity. Below that we have the payment summary of the customer's order, which will show the subtotal, the discount, if they meet any discount requirements, and the delivery charges. Then finally, the customer's full total amount. Once the customer is satisfied with their order, they can select the Pay Now button and proceed to the delivery page. That will show the delivery address, estimated time and delivery, and a location on the map showing how far the delivery driver is. After a certain amount of time, the page will automatically proceed to the payment screen, showing a picture of the customer's bank card, and below that, the payment options. Once the user has agreed to the terms and chosen his or her payment option, they will be able to proceed by clicking the Proceed button. The order will then begin to process. Once it is done processing, after a certain period of time, the order confirmation page will appear. Once the order has been confirmed, the customer can then move to the home page by clicking the Back to Home Page button. Thank you for your time.